Good afternoon, friends. You are most welcome to Think IS channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers in anthropology. We are discussing today. Our question is why anthropology? Demand of the question is uniqueness and relevance of anthropology, which distinguishes it from other social sciences and makes it study imperative. Answer is anthropology is a scientific study of human being in totality in terms of space and time. Why anthropology? Anthropology is a synthetic science and has strong links with other social sciences and biological sciences. Yet yet its contribution in human sphere is unique. The major issues resolved by anthropology in short span of its existence were many, which makes it study imperative. Understanding human differences. First is anthropology has clarified all myths regarding tribals being savage and barbarous people. Second is cultural relativism concept given by anthropologists exposed cultural arrogance of Western societies. Third is study of human races in terms of physical and genetic features disprove myth of racism. Fourth is it also proved that physical differences between different groups are the consequences of adaptation of each group to its environment. Second topic is understanding ourselves. First is anthropological studies prove that all behavior is learned and not inherited, which help us to understand ourselves and change our culture accordingly. Second is anthropological perspective. Cultural relativism can be utilized for solving problems and rivalry between groups. Third is Third topic is applied anthropology. Here here administration utilizes services of anthropologists in policy making and administrations of various areas utilizing their knowledge of cultural variations and felt need approach. Fourth is action anthropology. Here anthropologists themselves involved in planning and administration the policy of development of tribals. Fifth is unique approaches of anthropology. Unique approaches of anthropology in studying human being like holism, participant observation, cross-cultural studies, etc. also help in holistic understanding of human being. Thus, due to holistic nature of anthropology, its study becomes imperative.